What's going on, guys? Welcome back by the channel. If you're new here, my name is Will and I am in Danville, Virginia again today for video number 2 of the progress on the construction of the new Caesars Casino and Hotel. This is the biggest project probably this area has had in a decade or more, and they are really working to get this thing up and running. The casino itself and hotel probably at least a year away, but they work on it 5-6 days a week. They've erected a temporary location to house their gambling facility, and they work on that thing 7 days a week. They are really trying to beautify it and get it open to draw in some business in this local area. But like I said, this is video number 2. I'm going to take the Mavic 3 up. We're going to document their progress and see what all they've been doing. So guys, if any of that interests you, please stick around, check out the video, and at the end, like always, please hit that like and subscribe button if you like what you've seen, because it really does help out my channel. So enough talk, let's get the Mavic up in the air, see what they've been doing. Before I take off, you see there's their large crane. They've got it up. They've got 2 others off in the, well, 3 others off in the distance. And they left the 3 smokestacks because this used to be the home of a mill that sat here for many years. Don't press me on the name because I don't know if any of you watching this video know what the name of the mill was that sat on this site for many years. Drop it in the comments down below. But we are on the outer edge, and I think they're going to use this building here as well, and this parking area. They've got everything fenced off. It goes for 2 or 3 city blocks in this direction over here. And at the very end over there, you can see that tent-looking building. Well, that is the temporary gambling facility that they have erected. So anyway, you didn't come here to watch these videos on the ground, so let's get the Mavic up in the air and take a couple of shots. All right, everybody, still looks like just a big hole in the ground with a couple of cranes around it, but they're working on the foundation, getting that laid, and I'm sure once they get that done and actually start doing some construction of the actual casino and the hotel, it'll start to come to life. But this is just video number 2, and they don't even have the temporary casino open up yet. So I don't have a date on that. I imagine it's going to be within the next month. They'll have that up and running, and it's probably going to be, like I say, at least a year and a half on the hotel and the casino. So I'm curious to see what it's all going to look like. That's why I'm documenting the progress with a couple of Mavic 3 videos. So guys, if you liked what you've seen, please give me a like, give me a subscribe, and as always, I will see you on the next one.